Okay, just a quick update on the toilet. This is pretty much the last toilet video I'm going to do. Last time we finished it up where I had the tube running up the concrete bump on the wall there, and you can see the bottom of it was left kind of unfinished, is kind of the way it was when I moved in here, and it's just been that way ever since. Old tube for probably the original composting toilet that was here. So I decided to 3D print something that would cover that. Unfortunately, I only have black filament right now, so it's going to be black. And the thing's going to take forever. Many, many hours of printing. That is going to take forever to print. And it did take forever to print. I think it was about 14 or 15 hours total to print the thing up. But once it was done, it did seem to fit properly, and was able to get it in place, and it looks halfway decent. So, not a great color. Maybe I can paint it. I also need to get some construction adhesive so that I can secure it, because right now it's just on there with friction. You can also see I got a little bit of wire mold on the wire, covering the wire for the fan there. That's not actually glued to the wall yet. I'm going to have to pick up some construction adhesive for that as well, so that'll be today. I'll pick that up, but we're basically done. This is it. This is the way the toilet project is going to finish up, so that's the whole finished product.